Yes, children, we will start our lecture from exercise 6.3, question number 5. And I am Vinod Mittal from Springfield Public School. So let us start question number 5 in figure 6.43, PQ perpendicular to PS. So picture is given. PQ perpendicular to PS. This is PQ and this is PS, and they are perpendicular. PQ parallel to SR also. So here it is SR. So these two lines are parallel. So when these two lines are parallel, remember that this complete angle will be equal to this complete angle because of alternate interior angles. And here it is T. But there is something different, that is SQR. SQR. This angle is given 28 degree. So don't take this 28 with this angle. They are not alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle means that this complete angle will be equal to this complete angle. This is 65 degree. Find X. Here it is X. Here it is Y. Find X and Y. So X plus 28 will be equal to 65 degree because these are alternate interior angle. So after writing the given and to find, we will start our solution, and we will start our solution from the point in figure. PQ parallel to SR and QR transversal. QR transversal. So therefore X plus 28 is equal to 65 degree alternate interior angles. So X equal to 65 minus 28. X equal to 7. 5 minus 37 degree. So the value of X will be 37 degree. Now in this triangle we can apply ASP of triangle, angle sum property of triangle. X plus 90 plus Y equal to so now in triangle PQS, PQ perpendicular to PS, it implies angle P equal to 90 degree. Angle P plus X plus Y equal to 180 degree ASP of triangle. Value of P 90 degree. Value of X 37 degree plus Y equal to 180 degree. Y equal to 180 minus, add these 127, Y equal to 3, 7 by 53 degree. So this is the value of X and Y. Last question of the exercise, that is in figure the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. if the bisector of PQR and PRS meet at point T, PQRS. So the bisector of Q, angle Q, bisector of angle PRS, this meet at T. So because this line is bisecting this angle, so this part equal to this part equal to this. Prove that angle QTR. To find की बजाय यहाँ पर आ जाएगा to prove, given वगैरह लिख लेना, angle QTR equal to half angle QPR, or we can say angle T equal to half angle P. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. So proof, QT bisect angle Q. We will start the proof from here. QT bisects angle Q. It implies angle 1 equal to half angle Q. तो यहाँ एंगल 1 आ गया और यहाँ एंगल 2 ले रहे हैं. RT bisects angle PRS. It implies angle 2 equal to half angle PRS. तो सबसे पहले हमने जो बाइसेक्टर्स दिए हुए हैं क्वेश्चन में, उनका क्या मीनिंग बनता है वो हमने लिख लिया. Now see in the question, we will find out the value of angle 2 by taking exterior angle property in PQR and by taking exterior angle property in QRT. This should be remembered. So in triangle PQR, angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle Q. Angle PRS means double angle 2 is equal to angle P plus double angle 1, or remove this 2, it will come down here. Angle 2 will be equal to angle P upon 2 plus angle 1. Dividing both sides by 2. So we are dividing by 2 here also, it will be angle 2. We are dividing by 2 here also, it will be P by 2, it will be angle 1. So this is my first equation. Similarly, you will find out the value of angle 2 by taking exterior angle property in triangle TQR. So now we will write in triangle QTR, angle 2 equal to angle 1 plus angle T by exterior angle property. So this reason should be written in the first part also. Here also in the first part we have roughed the board, but you have to write this reason over there also. The value of angle 2 is this also. This is number 2. And the value of angle 2 is also P by 2 plus angle 1 that we have written in first part. So from first and second, we can conclude the angle 2 is also equal to this and angle 2 is also equal to the given in first part. So जो एंगल 2 है इसके भी इक्वल है उसके भी इक्वल है, तो हम राइट हैंड साइड को क्या लिख सकते हैं, इक्वल. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल t इज इक्वल टू एंगल p बाय 2 प्लस एंगल 1. दिस इज द रिजल्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट पार्ट. So remove this angle 1 from both sides. So you will get angle T equal to half angle P और यही हमें प्रूव करना है. Hence proved. तो ये थे 2 क्वेश्चन इस एक्सरसाइज के और यहाँ पर हमारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. और आपको जो असाइनमेंट्स वगैरह दी थी वो आपने की, और अगर नहीं की तो वो करनी है. Thank you for this video. We will start the next chapter in the next video.